Welcome back again, and today we are going to start working on a IBM 5150. I dug it out at my dad's. There's a lot of this old stuff there, and this was just next in line to be dug out of the junk pile, or I should say the junk room. This is the power supply from it. As you can see, it's still wet after I cleaned it. While I was cleaning it, I decided, I should make a video on it. So you didn't get to see the initial carnage of the capacitor that exploded on this one. Woke me up better than a cup of coffee, I'll tell you what. But yeah, it was a mess. There was electrolyte and paper, cardboard fuzzies everywhere inside of here. The power supply continued to run. I don't think it was from over voltage, because it was a 16 volt capacitor on the 12 volt bus, and the fan is also 12 volts, and it didn't sound like it was over speeding or like it was having any troubles, but hopefully the power supply wasn't overvolting the output and burning up all the chips on the motherboard. I really should have hooked the power supply up to a separate load and not just relied on the motherboard as a load just in case. So yeah, lesson learned, always test your power supplies. Hopefully this one didn't damage anything on the motherboard, but if it did, it'll make for a very interesting repair video, because I've repaired circuit boards like that before, and there's a lot of fun to it. So let me bring you over here and I'll show you the carnage of the what's the remnants of the capacitor. There it is. There's the base. There's some fuzz. There's one of the other capacitors I removed from it. And there's the can from it. Looks like my camera battery is about to go dead as well, so I'll cut this short. And yeah, anyhow, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Well, I found the other piece. It was still kind of stuck to the case of it, so I peeled it off. Yep, that's what they look like on the inside. Electrolyte soaked paper with the, I think that's aluminum, I'm not sure. If you're wondering how I dry my circuit boards, I just use for the pole, I use a dehydrator. That's what I'll be using for this guy. I'll probably run it all night to get all the moisture out of all the parts. There's probably a lot of moisture built up in there from this thing sitting for so long as well, so it should help that. It should help dehydrate and dry out the resistors and all the plastics and anything between the transformer windings as well. So yeah, thanks for watching.